In the last video, Matlani showed up late as always. Ducatis lit up our way. BMWs then lit up their way. Matlani continued to do Matlani things. And Rahul soon realized he just touched piss on a tire. Chalo, see you. Bye. See you. Met a couple of buddies from the KTM 390 Adventure owners group. Full tank, please. Alright, quick fuel stop now after breakfast. It is 8:23. We are now heading, I think our next stop is going to be somewhere near Anuskuragat. I'm guessing Brian and Ankit will have to fuel up. Not Brian and Ankit, Rahul and Ankit will have to fuel up at that point. So let's just see how this part of the ride goes. Hopefully I'm able to keep up with these boys. Though they are riding pretty fast. Pretty fast. ADV ain't no slouch though. None of these ADVs are. I keep telling Rahul that his motorcycle looks clean no matter what time of the day it is and no matter how many times I've seen it. Absolutely sparkling. Ankit's too, but then he's got a lot of graphics on it, so it's hard to figure that out. Sun does appear to be out in full swing now. Heat is starting to pick up, but we've got a hydration backpack to save us. Mother f***, dude.
Many minutes later.
Well, it finally happened. The GoPro fell off the handlebar. Was bound to do that at some point. Still survived. That is very strange. Never expected that from you, GoPro. Maybe I was wrong about you. Look at the sheer size of this, man. It's insane. I can't even believe that I'm riding this. Boy math is weird. We see a motorcycle 3 times our weight and we say, yeah, f*** it, let's ride it. Musa and a X-Pulse, both being carried. Not sure if that's a casualty or whether it's display motorcycles, but either way, nice to see those bikes together. No discrimination. Right, I think we're close to about maybe 20 or 30 minutes away from the right turn at Karad that would take us to Anuskuragat. But yeah, right now I don't know, my Senna's acting funny. It's not giving me navigation prompts just yet. Great driving, homie. Yeah, we've reached some city area which has kind of slowed us down. You can see quite a few riders at this point stopping and stretching, but not me. I am as comfortable as can be on this bike. And surprisingly so is Sahil, man. He's adjusted to the 390 Adventure pretty well. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit. Yeah, makes you wonder where that guy's going. He's got a BMW that has a TVS engine inside it. So is he going for Motor Soul or is he going for India Bike Week? While Ankit has gone ahead and probably is ahead of even Brian and Arzan and Andy. Rahul's pretty far back, I think, at this point. I wonder if he's struggling with the riding posture on his Fireblade, or whether it's just his attire that is tiring him out instead. Call Rahul, let him know that we have to take a right turn because he's behind us, no? Yeah. Just call him up and tell him, no? You have your phone with you. Where are you going, Sahil? Okay, so we've reached the right that we have to take at Karar. I think now there's a McDonald's around here, so that's a nice landmark to look out for. Take the service road at McDonald's and then take the right under the bridge. Sahil's just double backed to get Rahul here, and I believe Ankit and the rest of the crew are up ahead. So we'll reassemble over there and then enjoy Anuskura Ghat. This bike is something else. Something else. Munching miles like nobody's business, dude. 19 लाख 19 लाख है। इधर किलो से लाता है मुंबई से। हाँ सब डिस्प्ले में कनेक्ट होता है। हाँ 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 पेट्रोल है। एक कैमरा है ना? हाँ कैमरा।
346 minutes later.
Alright, made a quick stop over here for some sugarcane juice, because this place is known for its sugarcane apparently. Look at the amount of sugarcane trucks passing by, or tractors rather. I have bumped up the preload just a little bit to make it a little taller, and before riding the bike I did stiffen the suspension, the rebound just a little bit as well, because it was a little too much bounce that was happening when I was hitting a bump. Front suspension also is set to road mode, which is about 8 clicks out, I believe. So yeah, that I'm comfortable with. It's the rear that I may need to change around a little bit. Wow, a hyper motard. Shout out to Rhinox, man. What luggage these guys make, dude. This thing has not moved an inch the entire ride. That has moved around a little bit, but that's mainly because of the way I've mounted it. But man, oh man, what a ride this has been. And there's still more to go. We're only halfway there. Rahul's adjusting his bra over there, so it's just give him some privacy. Nice to have the entire group back again. But to have access to a ride like this, which we can, just get up and go whenever we want, is absolutely beautiful. Speaking of which, that guy was taking a piss in the water. But yeah, fun's about to start, man. You can feel it. You can feel it. Whoever's idea it was to build this road, man, on behalf of everyone from the biking community, thank you. This place, man, the windmills, the scenery, the view, holy shit. This is right out of something that you'd paint as a child when your art and crafts teacher told you to paint a beautiful scenery. Man, oh man, never gets old. And it's probably very easy to get distracted by the views around here. I mean, you're fighting every urge to look at all of the breathtaking views that are available and trying to focus on the road, but it isn't as easy as it sounds. You work hard throughout the year to earn your leaves, and if you end up spending it doing anything else apart from what you really love doing, you are wasting your time. This is what I love doing. Oh, Mr. High Five, dude. You get 10 on 10 points for your luggage setup, man. Great job. Mad. I told him 10 on 10 for dedication, dude. The road from Karat to Anuskura is like nothing I've experienced so far. No potholes in sight, the wind rushing through your gear, the fresh scent of nature, and the symphony of motorcycle exhausts. Every twist of the throttle, every winding turn, feels like a perfect dance between man, machine, and nature. The road unfolds like a secret path, guiding you through lush greenery and vibrant landscapes, each bend revealing a new, breathtaking view. With the sun warming your back and the cool breeze brushing through your face, it's not just a ride, it's a celebration of freedom, friendship, and the thrill of the open road. And at the end of it all, Anuskura Ghat. Alright, finally done giving the boys a taste of Anuskura Ghat. We stopped for a few pictures, flew the drone. Hopefully you guys like the footage that we captured. And now we're heading directly to Goa. It's nice to see new people getting into motorcycling. My guess is that that guy was new back there. Mainly because of the gear he was riding, the quality of the gear he was riding, and the quality of the bike that he was riding. Very contrasting. I just wish more people got into smaller motorcycles first and then got into bigger motorcycles. It would make life so much easier for everyone, including themselves. They really appreciate a big bike when you have the skills to ride it. And I'm not saying that I'm some pro rider. No. Please don't get me wrong. I've been humbled several times on a racetrack and off-road too. But what matters is that you keep learning, no matter what. I know there's professional riders too who would train day in, day out to get their lines correct. And they'd still return to the basics. And then there are armchair motor vloggers who would just give you gyan from the comfort of their home and not really get out and ride. And opt for flights and drives whenever they are invited to attend motorcycle events like this. Not taking a dig at anyone. You guys know who you are. At least be honest about it. Alright, I know we were not supposed to stop for lunch, but we did, and I'm sort of glad that we did because from the looks of things here, it did rain a few kilometers ahead. So while it was raining, we were having a scrumptious go-in meal. I'm going to go to the hotel now and get some much needed rest. I've only slept for about 3 hours and been riding for more than 10 hours now, I think. So it's well-deserved rest. And yeah, tomorrow's a big day. We'll be attending motorcycle events, meeting a lot of you guys over there, and yeah, making some new friends too. Alright, that's all I had for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you did not, share your feedback in the comments. As always guys, at least wear your helmets while riding your motorcycles and ride safe. It's a freaking jungle out there. There might be some wild tigers out and about. Goodbye.
enjoying the view.
They hope you are,
Which
Sahil.
is me.
No,
I'm
of
the
course
view.
not.
I'm gonna do in all your clips where you talk to everyone. That's my job for today.
Well, it's been your job for a while now, Sahil. Oh, look at Rahul chat himself.